In this video, I will show you the ultimate guide on how to import from China without using agent with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation business with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back to this video, the ultimate guide to importing from China without an agent with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's dive in. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you have Pinduoduo app successful, install and register on your phone. Having done that, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Pinduoduo shopping app. So having opened up your Pinduoduo shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for an item. And there are so many ways to search for an item on Pinduoduo shopping app. One of the first way is to simply make use of search engine right here. What you do here is to simply type in the products you are looking for. Let's say we are looking for female bags. Then we click on search. So we are going to see a similar result of female bags on Pinduoduo shopping app. These are latest female bag 2024. You can see them right here. You can simply scroll down and see more results as far as it is concerned. Then alternatively, you can search for an item by brand such as Adidas or Sahara. So if I click on Adidas right here, let's check them out. The result is going to be shown for only Adidas bag. And so you can see, okay, these are Sahara bags. Okay, so we can simply scroll down and see more brand stuff. This is also an Adidas, and this is Dior. You can scroll down. This is Adidas. So these are brand section on how you can source for item. Another way to source for an item on Pinduoduo is by using this camera icon right here, which stands for image search. What we do here is to simply click on the camera. Then we have to look for the picture from our phone album. So I'm going to select on this particular picture right here. Then we are going to see a similar result. Next thing we want to do, having get this particular page, we can simply scroll down and look for any supplier from this particular variety result. Okay, so what I need to do here is to simply click on the first result right here and check out the assist page. So from the store right here, you can also check on more picture and the likes. Okay, so this store here, I'm going to add the item to cart from the store. So for me to do that, I just need to simply click on here to add item to cart. It's as simple as that. So let's see how we can add an item to cart from another store. So I'm going to go back from here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on my camera icon again. Then I'll look for the picture. So this item right here, I will upload. So from the result right here, I'll simply click on the first one right here. Then I'll simply click on here to add the item to cart. Next thing I need to do is to simply go back to my profile. Then for me to access my profile, simply click on here. The next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to view my cart. So from the cart right here, we have the two items here. This is the first one and the second one. Next thing we can do here is to simply click on here and here to add them to cart. The next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. Then from the checkout right here, I need to simply scroll down and make sure my Alipay is checked. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment. Then enter my payment password. So payment done, successful right here. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on done. Then I have to go back to my profile. For me to access my profile, so on getting to my profile, by the time I refresh my profile, all the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. This is the first one and this is the second one. It's as simple as that. So this is the ultimate complete guide on how to import from China without an agent with Pinduoduo shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about China importation business with Pinduoduo. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.